What are some types of content to make? Digital content can come in many shapes and sizes. From interactive web pages, blog posts, and apps to visual content like GIFs, videos, and infographics, there's something out there for everyone. Need some ideas? Here are a few popular types of digital content you could create. Tutorials. Video tutorials are an excellent way to engage viewers and teach them something new. Podcasts. If you're looking for a more conversational approach, podcasts are a great way to entertain your audience. Infographics. Use eye-catching visuals to explain complex topics quickly and easily with infographics. Ebooks. Ebooks allow you to create longer content and share more in-depth information with readers. Animated GIFs. Get creative with animated GIFs for a fun way to show off your products or services. Social media posts. Build relationships with potential customers by creating engaging posts that resonate with your audience. No matter what type of content you choose to create, the possibilities are endless. So have fun experimenting and finding the right fit for your brand. To learn about the opportunities in social media, check out our previous video.